So this video is really for people who have nappy hair. If you have a beard, of course, you're gonna have to comb it, mainly because we get a lot of rolls, man. This beard is a lot longer than it looks, but because my hair is so kinky, the constant wetting and drying, it just shrinks and it becomes knotty. I personally don't brush it every day, but what I do, this is what I do with it first. So when I get out of the shower, usually it's damp, and that's probably the best time for me to do it. And what I do is I kind of just use my hands and try to unroll a couple of the kinks out of it. I add some beard balm. This amount should be fine. And I just apply. This guy's funny. So what I use is a hot comb. I can use this, but it's a struggle, and more so it gets stuck, man, and this is very, very painful. So when I do want to comb my beard out, I use a hot comb, and the one that I use is the Plan Beard. My wife got this for me on Amazon. But anyways, let's start. So I usually start from the front, so anything I can see, that's where I start from. And pretty much you take your time going through it, man. Now when you do this damp, you'll notice that it's a lot warmer than if it wasn't damp. And I mean, that's obviously because there's water in your ear and it's steaming up. Now this won't burn you unless you kind of rest it directly on your skin, but it shouldn't be burning you. And you will feel a little bit of burn, not too much. If you're feeling too much, that means one of your thing is broken. Because what prevents you from getting burned is these plastic teeth. You see how much hair is in this brush? Because of all this dead hair that's in your beard. So what I'll do now, I'll move from the front and I'll start brushing from underneath and again slowly. You do this until you are satisfied with the texture, which right now texture isn't too bad, right? All I do now is start from the front again, and now I'm gonna put it in the shape that I want it to be in. And then what I do as well is I start brushing it. Brush it a little bit. And that's it, guys.